Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll be exploring a handy feature in Telegram that allows you to easily view all the documents shared within a group. Whether you're collaborating on a project, sharing files with friends, or keeping track of important information, knowing how to access these shared docs is essential. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll want to make sure you have the Telegram app open on your Android device. Just locate the app icon and give it a tap. Next, navigate to the group where all the sharing is taking place. This is the group where you might need to find those important documents. Once you're in the group, look at the top of the screen where you will see the contact name. Tap on that name to proceed. After tapping the contact name, a menu will pop up showcasing various options. Here, you will find different tabs or sections that relate to the group. What you need to do now is find and tap on the Files option, located at the bottom of this list. And just like that, you will be able to see all the documents that have been shared within the group chat. It's a simple process, but incredibly useful when you need to reference information quickly. So that's it. Now you know how to easily access all shared docs in a Telegram group. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Telegram and other apps effectively. Thanks for watching.